Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start maths class. See children. So I said for next class protractor is needed. This is called protractor. Okay. So for what purpose we use protractor? Angles are measured in units called degrees. So symbol for degrees, An instrument, this is called a protractor. Use it to measure the angles. So how to measure the angles? They have given, see here children, to measure the size of angle ABC. Suppose this is the angle ABC. So how the protractor, place the protractor over the angle so that center of the protractor is directly over the angle's vertex. So first we need to measure the angle ABC. Before measuring the angle, protractor has 0. Are you seeing here? 0 to 180. 0 to 180. Here 180 is there or not? This is 180. Here 0 degrees. Okay, so from 0 to 180 will be there. See here, this corner 0. So have you purchased the protractor? This corner 0 and this corner will be the 180. So has numbers 0 to 180 marked on it from both sides. So this helps to measure the angles from both sides. Center of protractor shows 90. Center of the protractor shows 90. See this line shows the 90 degrees. So I will show you. Okay. So to measure the angle ABC, you need to place the protractor over the angle so that center of the protractor directly over the angle's vertex B. So this center line, are you seeing? You need to place the protractor in this manner and this line should be mingled with the base. It should touch the base in this manner, okay? Are you seeing? In this manner we need to place here. And are you observing the red line here? Center of the protractor. Are you seeing? This line should match this corner vertex so that the red line should not appear. It should be mixed with this bottom line so that center of the protractor directly over the angles vertex AB. Vertex AB. Now you observe the angle here. So, and baseline of the protractor is along the arm BA of the angle. This is not clear. Now, if I measure this angle is 60 degrees. See here 60. You are not able to see the degrees because this protractor is very light. Now you are seeing 60. Are you seeing the 60? In this manner, we need to measure the angle. So this 60 matches this above arm. Okay, directly over the angle. So vertex AB. Baseline of the protractor is along arm BA. Along arm BA of the angle. We use the inner scale. This is called inner scale, children. Are you observing this inner scale? This is the inner scale around the protractor. We use the inner scale to measure the angle ABC as the arm AB passes through the zero of the inner scale. Following the inner scale around the protractor, we find the other arm BC passes through the inner scale at 60 degrees. Inner scale at 60 degrees. So size of the angle ABC is 60 degrees. Now we write this as follows. Angle ABC is equals to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Next, to measure the size of angle PQR. To measure the size of angle PQR. Are you seeing this angle? PQR. We need to measure it. How we will measure the PQR? So you need to place the protractor like this. Now you need to move this corner because base is in this side. Okay, now you check the angle. How much is there? So to measure size of angle PQR, place the protractor over the angle so that center of the protractor is directly over the angle's vertex Q, and the baseline of the protractor is along the arm PQ of the angle. We use outer scale to measure the angle PQR as the arm PQ passes through the zero of the outer scale. So following the outer scale around the protractor, we find that other arm QR passes through the outer angle at 120 degrees. Are you seeing here? Outer angle we are using how much? See, are you observing this line passes through 120 degrees? Okay. So now angle PQR is how many degrees? 120 degrees. So we write this as follows. PQR is 120 degrees. Next, measuring reflex angles. So a protractor can be used to measure the size of the acute angle and an obtuse angle. Now we will use protractor to measure reflex angle PQR. So this is called reverse. This is called reflex angle. This is reflex angle is between 0 to 360 degrees. Okay. So to measure the reflex PQR, enter and extend the arm PQ to A. This extend the arm PQ to A to form PQA, which is straight angle. Then measure the size of angle AQR and add 180. That means here PQ is there, no? From this we need to extend the line like this. We need to draw one line that is called PQA, that is straight line. Straight line, okay? After that you measure the size of angle AQR and add 180. Like this. Straight angle means 180 plus if you measure AQR we will get 45, total 225. So like that. Are you observing? See, in the reverse manner, we need to place the protractor and measure it. If it is the reflex angle. Are you seeing center of the protractor is 90? Okay. See here, inner scale we are using. So it lies between 15 and 50 and 40. So AQR angle is 45 degrees. Yeah, we are adding straight angle plus 45 degrees. So we get 225 degrees. Understood? Next. So see here, use the protractor to confirm the measures of the following angles. Already they gave angles, so you can confirm it. So that is now, this is a less than 90 degrees, so it is called as an acute angle. The shape will be correctly acute angle only. This is also correct. And you see, but this square angle is always 90 degrees. If you see this shape, no doubt you can place it as a 90 degrees. Square, if you are seeing square in between two arms, that is 90 degrees only. See this one, just this moved acute angle to the more than acute angle is obtuse angle. Understood? If it is 120 degrees less than 180, more than 90, then it is called as obtuse angle. Remember these steps, directly you can write the angles. Next, measure the following angles by using the protractor and name them. First one is acute angle only, below 90 will be there. So take the protractor like this, okay, and see, you need to mark the vertex of this. You need to place like this. Are you observing? So you need to place at the corner of the vertex. This line should match the like this corner of the vertex. See how much it is, 40 degrees. How much it is? First one is 40 degrees. Next one, same. So first one write down 40 degrees. Second one B. So place the protractor in this manner and measure the angle. An instrument which is used to measure the angle is called protractor. Are you seeing, Nana? Now it is, see this one. It is between 120 and 110. Okay. So maybe 125. Like that it will be there. Okay. Or 115. Sorry, 110 and 120. No, so 115 will be there. That is nothing but more than 90 obtuse angle 115 degrees, the second one. You need to measure. Okay, just I am showing this. Next one. This is also 62 or 61. Okay. Next one, directly by seeing this one, I said this is the square angle 90 degrees. If you see shape all curve, no, so you need to measure. If it is in square shape, no need to measure the angle. Directly you can write 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees straight angle. This is reflex angle. Maybe more than 180, but below 360. Okay. So take it as a whole, this to measure it. Next. In next class, I will explain the types of angles. Okay. Are you clear how to measure the angles using instrument protractor? So practice that and tell me. Okay. Thank you.